Students, today's topic is mutation. Mutation is a phenomenon which results in alteration of DNA sequences and ultimately results in changes in the genotype and phenotype of an organism. Let us understand mutation. Mutations are sudden, stable, inheritable, discontinuous variations which appear in an organism with permanent change in genotype. The term mutation was given by the scientist Hugo de Vries, and he observed mutation for the first time in plant evening primrose, and the scientific name is Oenothera lamarckiana. Morgan was Morgan observed first mutation in fruit fly Drosophila, and the mutation was he observed a white-eyed male in a population of red-eyed male. Normally in Drosophila the males they have red eyes. Appearance of a white-eyed male in a population of red-eyed male was a genetic change which was sudden, stable and inheritable, and it was seen as a permanent variation in the individuals. Now the variations in any individual, they arise in two ways, that is new combinations and the mutations. The causes of variations they are new combinations and mutations. New combinations can arise in any individual in three ways: crossing over, as we have done in class 11, exchange of genetic material between two non-sister chromatids of homologous pair of chromosome is called crossing over. Another cause of variation is random fertilization of chromosomes. Any gamete of one parent can fertilize with any gamete of another parent. Next is independent assortment. That is, we have done. What do we mean by independent assortment? That is, the pair of chromosomes, they segregate from each other during gamete formation. Now, how many types of gametes can be formed in an individual? This is a 1 mark question. Suppose in Drosophila there are 4 pair of chromosomes. So how many types of gametes can be seen in them? It will be 2 raised to power 4. In human beings, the total number of chromosome is 23 pairs. So how many types of gametes can be formed? It will be 2 raised to power 23. Similarly, in case of pea plant, how many types of gametes can be seen due to independent assortment? It is 2 raised to power 7. Now, the second is the mutation. Mutations can be divided into two categories: chromosomal mutations and the gene mutations. Today we will discuss the chromosomal mutations, which are also known as chromosomal aberrations. Now, chromosomal mutations, they are further divided into two categories: change in the number of chromosomes and change in the structure of chromosome. We will discuss them one by one. Chromosomal mutations due to change in the structure of chromosomes. Change in the structure of chromosome can be brought about by deletion, inversion, addition or duplication, and translocation. Let us see. Say this is a chromosome in deletion, and the genes located on it are A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Say a segment of chromosome, it separates and lost, say due to chemical change, a breakage occurs and the chromosome, it breaks into two in such a way that the few chromosomes are present on one part and the other genes, few genes, they are present on one chromosome and the few on the other part. So if this part is lost, the original chromosome will have these remaining genes. So this segment of chromosome which separates and lost, this process involves breakage. Okay? So this is called deletion. Sometimes what happens that this lost part, it can join to the chromosome C, D, E, F, but in an inverted manner. This was up till E and this was F and G. So it inverts and it joins again as G and F. This will again lead to mutation. So what we have seen in deletion? There was a chromosome having the following genes. A breakage occurs. There can be two cases. Either this part is lost, again it is deletion, and sometimes if this lost part, it gets inverted and joins again, this is called inversion. The inversion can be as A, B, C, D, E, F. Two breaks. It can break into three segments, and this it inverts. So the sequence of genes will become A, B, D, C, E, and F. So segment separates and results in inverted position. Another is addition or duplication. As you can see, the chromosome is having A, B, C, D, E, F genes. Now this portion, this much portion, it duplicates like A, B, and the other remains same C, D, E, F. So what will happen? The sequence of genes will change. So the information controlled by it or the characters controlled by it, they will also change. So this change is called addition or duplication. Now translocation. In translocation, say we have one chromosome on which the sequence of genes is A, B, C and D. And we have another chromosome where the sequence of gene is Q, R, S, T. Now a breakage occurs at this point. The portion with genes CD, it separates and it joins to what? It joins to now we can say CD can join to QRST or AB, it can join to QRST. So the new combination is ABQRST. Now what happens? Segment of chromosome breaks and it joins non-homologous chromosome. So both the chromosomes will suffer. The donor chromosome, this one, it will suffer deletion, and the recipient chromosome, because it has gained some extra genes or extra portion of chromatid, so recipient chromosome, it gets extra genes. So both the chromosomes, they get mutated and they change the phenotype and genotype of the individual.